Hi, I am Abhirag, the founder of Balanced Care. We are introducing a revolutionary product, Nuuva, that empowers surgeons on surgical decision making with AI-driven insights for faster diagnosis, personalized care, and improved outcomes. Today's surgical landscape demands both precision and efficiency. Surgeons face immense pressure to deliver optimal patient care while navigating complex procedures and time constraints. Preoperative decision-making is crucial but often burdened by a deluge of data and the potential for human error. This is where Nuuva steps in, offering a transformative solution for the modern operating room. Nuuva is specifically designed to augment a surgeon's expertise during the critical preoperative phase. This intelligent system acts as a vigilant second pair of eyes, analyzing vast amounts of data to eliminate potential issues and provide real-time insights that empower informed decision-making. Nuuva ingests and analyzes a range of pre-operative data points, including X-rays, CT scans, blood tests, and patient medical history. By employing sophisticated image recognition algorithms, the AI can detect subtle anomalies in CT scans, potentially flagging hidden complications like bowel perforations or fractures. It meticulously analyzes blood work, identifying markers of infection or electrolyte imbalances that might impact surgery. This comprehensive analysis empowers surgeons to approach surgery with a clearer picture of potential challenges. And Nuuva doesn't stop at analysis, it actively assists in streamlining workflows. By integrating with electronic medical records, Nuuva can automatically extract key data points, saving surgeons valuable time. This reduces the time spent gathering information and allows surgeons to focus on critical decision making. By offering intelligent decision support, the AI helps surgeons navigate the complexities of pre-operative planning with greater confidence, ultimately leading to better patient care and a brighter future for surgery. And we are making this video specifically for the Azure team, as Azure is the backbone of our technology and infrastructure as part of the Microsoft for Startups program, and we wish to be the partner on the program and utilize benefits that the platform offers us to launch our product into the market. Thank you.